Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Global Sustainable Research Solutions. I am Muhammad Usman. This video is about production possibilities curve. Production possibilities curve. It represents the possible combinations of goods and services available to an economy, given that all the productive sources are fully and efficiently employed. Production possibilities curve, also called production possibility frontiers. Here we have a production possibilities curve. We have two goods, good Y and good X. Good Y is on Y axis while good X is on X axis. There are points that are below the production possibilities curve which are called attainable. All the points on the PPC are efficient points while all the points above the PPC are called unattainable points. What are efficient points? Each point on the production possibilities curve represents some maximum combination of goods that can be produced if all the sources are fully and efficiently employed. When an economy is operating on the curve, more industrial goods means that fewer pizza. On the other hand, higher pizza mean we have less industrial goods. The points that are beyond or above the PPC are unattainable points. It represents that we have not the resources and the technology. By using this technology we cannot achieve these points. So what are unattainable points? Limited sources and a fixed technology make any combination of industrial goods or consumer goods outside the curve unattainable. Attainable points, these are below the production possibility curve. These points indicate that the sources are not fully employed or they are not used efficiently. How production possibility curve shift? Production possibility curve shift when there is an increase in the economy resources or there is a technological innovation. When production possibility curve shift, it represents economic growth. To increase the production of one good without declining the production of the other good, the production possibility curve must shift outward. The PPC curve shifts outward as a result of an increase in the economic resources or a technological innovations that accelerate the output obtained from a given amount of resources. What is production possibility curve? It is a curve that represents the possible combinations of goods and services available to an economy with using all its resources fully and efficiently. The points that are on the production possibility curve are efficient points. The points that are below the production possibility curve are attainable. They are not efficient points. On the other hand, all the points that are above the production possibility curve are unattainable. Thank you for watching Global Sustainable Research Solutions.